Hello my dear students. Now we have to clear our idea regarding the basic geometrical shapes. Which shapes are basic in our geometry chapter. Okay. So first one is a plane figure. Which figure are known as a plane figure? A smooth flat surface which extends endlessly in all the direction is called a plane. It means we can extend how much we want. Okay, these are known as a plane. For example, triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Okay, these figures are known as a plane figure. Okay, 2D figure and 3D figure, you know regarding the 2D figure and 3D figure. So these figures are known as a 2D figure. See students, they having the height? No, they didn't have any height. See, this is the my square paper. Okay, assume that this is a square. It is not perfect square, but this is the square paper. So here any height is there? You can see no, height is not there. So this one is known as a plane figure. But suppose I am showing over here one textbook. Okay, this is the my rectangle. Okay, so over here you can see height is there, yes or not? So this is known as a height. So this figure is known as a 3D figure. So it is actually cuboid, yes or not? Okay, I will send you this one explanation also, but just clear idea regarding what are the 2D figure and what are the 3D figures. Okay, so here plane figure, they having the height? No, they didn't have the height. Okay, I will raise the question over here like a fill in the blanks, true, false or MCQs. The plane figure having the height? No, plane figure didn't have the height. And they can extend? Yes, they can extend endlessly. Okay, so these figure are known as a plane figure. Next one is point. A very small dot made with the sharp pencil. You know this thing. Suppose I made like this way. So this is the my point. Okay. Then line segment. What are the line segment and what are the line? What is the difference between the line segment and line? So see over here, line segment having the fixed length, because over here point is there, 2 point. Okay, so here they having the fixed length. We can't extend line segment. Okay, but over here line is there, so we can extend the line in the both the direction. Endlessly we can extend. Why? Because over here ray is there. See, point is there? No, over here ray is there. So you have to remember this thing. Line segment we can't extend, but line we can extend in both the direction. Okay, mixing of the line and line segment is ray. What is the ray? Ray, it means here one is the starting point is a fix and ending point is we can extend whenever we want. Okay, so this is the my initial point A, and from over here we can extend. See over here you can see the ray. Okay, so ray we can extend from the one side. Okay, so ray having the fixed length? No, ray having not a fixed length. So here this is the idea regarding the point, plane, line segment, ray and line. What is the difference between the line and line segment? Yes, line segment we can't extend because line segment having the fixed length. Okay, and line we can extend in the both the direction. They didn't have the fixed length. Clear? What is the ray? Ray having the particular starting point, initial point, but we can extend endlessly in a one direction. So from over here we can extend. So this is the ray. Point. Point means to show the any particular place, any particular object. So we are point out it. So it is known as a point. And what are the plane figure? Plane figure didn't have the height. We can extend it endlessly. These figures are known as a plane figure, like a rectangle, circle, triangle, semicircle, whatever is there. Okay, so here this is the basic idea regarding the shapes. Okay, now intersecting line and parallel lines. Okay, so here intersecting lines. Which line are known as a intersecting? Because they are intersect each other. Yes or not? See over here, line is there. You don't put over here point. Okay, line. Now you have the clear idea regarding what is the line and what is the line segment. So whenever two lines intersect at the common point, see over here, common point is there. So this is known as a intersecting line. Okay, see the definition. If the two lines meet at the point or tend to meet if extend, it is not compulsory that they are meet. Suppose I am drawing over here like this way. Okay, this is my two lines. So if I will extend this one line, suppose like this way, so they meet over here. So these are known as intersecting lines. Okay, they are known as intersecting lines. Understood? Okay, and they are meet whatever this one point O, it's known as a common point of two lines, either intersection point of two lines. Clear? Okay, now parallel lines. Which lines are known as a parallel lines? Having the same distance, is known as a parallel line. Distance between the two lines are same from everywhere. See over here, what is the difference? Same distance is here, same is here, same is here, same is here. So distance is same. Okay, these lines are never intersect with each other. If we extend it till how many we want, then it will not intersect. So these lines are known as parallel lines. Okay, and this is the symbol of parallel lines. Okay, suppose I here PQ and RS are parallel lines, so I have to write over here line PQ is parallel to line RS. Understood? So this is the symbol of parallel lines. So see students, how many shapes we learn over here? Plane figure, point, line segment, ray, line, intersecting line and parallel line. Okay, see over here. These are line AB and this is a line CD. But they are intersecting? No. But if we will extend it, then they intersect at the point O. So it means this is the intersecting line at the point O. Understood? Again I am telling you, remember these things. Over here line is there, so you have to draw line. Don't draw the line segment because we can't extend the line segment. Line segment having fixed length. Okay, thank you.